Welcome to our presentation. Our presentation is on screen time. This presentation was done by Helen Blackburn, Monica List, and Sophie Shermer. We would also like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we produce this video. We would also like to pay our respect to all elders, past, present, and those that are still emerging.
This presentation is about screen time for children. We will be talking about pros and cons of screen time, along with some other key points from our findings. The key themes include advantages of screen time and disadvantages of screen time. Screen time is a controversial subject between parents, teachers, and researchers.
The advantages of screen time. Some of the advantages of children using screen time are cognitive skills, with the enhancement of education and learning skills. Language skills. This could be the child having conversations with their family and friends via chats and video calls. Families co-viewing with the child or children, where the family sit down and watch what the child is watching and ask questions during to see what the child is retaining, as well as bringing families together for some family bonding time. The use of educational programs. This could be puzzles on the device which helps the child with their thinking and problem solving skills. Byrne et al. 2021 states that the recommendation of screen time for children aged 2 to 5 years is 1 hour a day, in accordance with the World Health Organization, and children who are younger than 18 months are advised to have no screen time. The study mentioned in this article were children who were watching television as the main exposure to screens. The disadvantages of screen time. Some of the disadvantages of children having too much screen time are social and emotional delays, a lack of physical activity, and children not spending enough time outdoors, a higher energy intake, which can lead to childhood obesity, poor sleep, which can lead to the child having negative behaviour throughout the day, face-to-face interactions with other children. This could be spontaneous interaction with their peers outside. During the COVID-19 virus, parents found that they were increasing the screen time of their child as they had to balance full-time work and full-time parenting due to the shutdowns of schools and childcares. Children were at home full-time and having to do their schoolwork or engage with their families and friends via chats and FaceTime calls. With parents having to work full-time, young children took to devices and having more screen time to entertain themselves.
If used correctly, screen time can enhance learning experiences for children. However, excessive screen time can disrupt a child's cognitive development in various areas. It is strongly recommended that parents provide guidance to help children to use screens safely. Modeling behavior is an effective way to demonstrate to children when and how to use screen time safely. Screen time, if used correctly, can enhance learning experiences for children. Some examples of how this can be achieved are minimize screen time to an hour a day, choose quality content, limit use during family time, meal time, and in public places, and model good screen time habits around children. In conclusion, it is important to set boundaries and model appropriate screen time behavior to ensure the healthy development of children.